Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. When 1-bromopropane is heated with alcoholic KOH, compound A is produced. Compound A reacts with HBr to form compound B. So, what is compound B? Choices are 1. Propane, 2. 1-propanol, 3. Propanal, 4. 2-bromopropane. Answer is 4. 2-bromopropane. Explanation we will see in the next slide. When 1-bromopropane is heated with alcoholic KOH, propene is produced. So, our compound A is propene. Propene reacts with HBr to form 2-bromopropane. So, our compound B is 2-bromopropane. Thank you for watching this video.